Local and TMR agents, how are you guys today? Rapp here again, broker owner of Travers Moran Realty. And today I want to talk to all of you about being your biggest cheerleader. We hear often in this world and really in all aspects of life about being your biggest opponent, or maybe being the person that is against you most. And a lot of times and aspects of life, as I say, there are times that we can really get down on ourselves. And it's extremely important in this business, maybe more than any other business, is to really always be uplifting to yourself, to really be your biggest supporter, to be your biggest cheerleader, to be your biggest defender, to go out there with the knowledge that you are the best person for the job, no matter which listing or which buyer or which investor or which kind of marketing campaign that you're going after. If you don't have that internal belief within yourself, it's not going to come across to others. We can picture this in a multitude of ways. I think immediately of like a middle school or high school dance where you have what they used to call wallflowers. Maybe they still do. The kids that would just kind of back against the wall and stare at the floor and maybe play with their feet, you know, they really never had any confidence, so they never really got to dance with the girl or got to dance with the boy on the dance floor. We need to have as much confidence within ourselves as we possibly can and truly believe that we are the best for the job to get these jobs that we're going after, to get these listings and sales that we're going after. You also want to support yourself as much as possible, not only in that mental capacity, but maybe in a financial capacity as well. Be sure to invest in yourself. Don't be scared to take some money out of your own pocket to put it into a marketing campaign. Maybe you're going to do something with social media or a postcard blast or maybe a new website. Maybe send out some letters. Do some things that are really supporting of yourself that you can say, I'm throwing money into myself to bring more business into myself. A lot of people do have trouble doing this. And no matter how many times you hear from top producing agents, to take a portion of your commission when it comes in and put it into advertising yourself. Or when you're brand new in the business, to have maybe a little kitty that you can, use to support yourself, not only financially, but to support your business. Being in real estate is being like any other kind of business. It's as if you just open a bakery on the corner. You need to market yourself. You need people coming in that door. You need to go to work every day. You need to wake up and make the donuts, as they used to say. So if you're having trouble with that, whether it's either having confidence in yourself, being your biggest coach, being your own biggest supporter, and stopping to kind of put yourself down and believing that maybe this isn't the right career for you, maybe you're not the right person for the job, please come in and talk to me. Set up a meeting with Sammy, shoot us an email, admin@traversmoranrealty.com. Maybe you're a local agent that just got into the business that's currently with the wrong broker. Maybe you're a local agent that's been with the same broker for a long time and just isn't getting that internal confidence and kind of boost of energy that you need to really succeed in the business. Again, reach out to us, admin@traversmoranrealty.com, or you can always text me at 954-873-1801. Or you can respond to the email that you've just received. Until then, guys, as always, thanks for listening, and really keep that in mind. Boost yourself up, believe in yourself. Don't be your biggest opponent, be your biggest supporter. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you next week.